Good evening, traders. This is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com, where you can find all of the member-only features for free with your 10-day free trial, where you're not only going to be making money from the alerts that we give you, but you also have the opportunity to learn while you earn in the classroom setting of the live chat room, where we focus on trader education and making you a more successful, profitable, and consistent trader. It's a great opportunity, and I really suggest that you take advantage of it. So we're going to take a look at the Google chart here really quick. Another great rejection up at this downtrend line and near this 680 of resistance up here. Our members and anyone that watched the video from last night scored huge on some puts, so that was awesome. Moving forward, we're going to still use this level to trade up against this trend line. We had another close below it, so it doesn't really like this level, so we're going to continue to trade up against it. 672 area, between 672 and 680, it should keep getting rejected. I imagine tomorrow we're going to make another lower low and break below this 660 level. We'll see. We've got to keep an open mind. If it does break above 680, okay, that would take my thesis away, and I would no longer like it short. Okay, but until it does that, I do like it for a short. I do think it keeps on getting rejected. Just one thing I want to point out is this longer, lower tail on this candle right here. And while we did almost form a bearish engulfing, a bearish engulfing would be where the open of today's candle is above the previous day's close, and today's close is below yesterday's open, but we missed it by about 30 cents, so it's almost a bearish engulfing. But I do want to point out that this longer lower tail is, I don't want to say bullish, but it's definitely not bearish. Okay, so I am prepared to be wrong if we do break above 680, but until then, like I said, we're going to use this trend line to trade against, and I do think that Google heads lower. Looking at the, so I'll go over a couple more levels. So 660, first level of support. 650 has this cloud support, as you can see right here. It also has some candlestick support as well. As you can see, some lows of these candles over here, and over here, and over here as well. So 650 is an important level to watch for. Below that, 630 or so, and there's this gap that still needs to be filled, and that is at about 622 or so. That's where this gap is and needs to be filled. Okay, looking at the indicators, kind of a mixed bag right here, kind of just trading in a range. It did make a higher high than this high over here, but just barely, but it is trending down. Okay, MACD, we did have a bull cross, I'm sorry, and the histogram did make a higher high on the histogram today. Okay, so as far as the MACD is concerned, and we are above the zero line. Okay, so we're back above the zero line, so that is considered somewhat bullish, but as you can see here, we are trending down overall. Okay, that doesn't mean we can't break higher. I'm just pointing out what these indicators are showing us. Okay, let's see, stochastics, we are getting into the power zone for the bulls above the 80 level. Okay, so if you're going off of the indicators, we are looking somewhat bullish, but price action needs to prove itself. We need to break over this 680 level and over this trend line in order to be considered bullish. So I'm going to keep shorting it until then, and I'm going to short it until I'm wrong. So we'll see how that works out. So far it's working out great. Watch these levels, 680, 670, 660, 650. Easy levels to watch, nice round numbers, and that's the way we like it. Again, you can join the tradinganalyst.com for free with your 10-day free trial. You're not only going to be making money from the alerts that we're giving you, but you also have the opportunity to learn while you earn in the classroom setting of the live chat room, where we focus on making you a more successful, profitable trader. We want you to be consistent, and that's what we work on in the chat room. It's a great environment to be in if you're a trader, and we really suggest that you take advantage of it. We'll see you over there.